The police are keeping a close watch on sections of Olympic Gardens in St. Andrew, where reggae icon and member of the popular Mighty Diamonds, Donald Tabby Diamond Shaw, was shot and killed. Another man also died in the incident. There are now concerns of a reprisal attack. Kirk Wright was on the scene and now reports.
Uncertainty, grief and anguish on their faces, the Olympic Gardens community still in disbelief that someone shot and killed reggae icon Donald Shaw, popularly known as Tabby Diamond.
The wound I cut deep, I don't know when will this ever heal. Because it's like a wound behind wound. Come like a cut where there's a hurt up every minute. Now I'll get time to heal.
Shaw and 4 others were shot in McKinley Crescent. He and another man identified as Owen Beckford died.
So we're around 9:40 p.m. last night. The preliminary information we have speaks to a lone gunman walking up to a group of persons standing at a shop, opening gunfire.
As part of the investigation now carried out by the police, they feel that Donald Shaw, the singer, was the target, but they're also looking to see if the activities of his son might have led to last night's shooting.
The preliminary assessment by the intel team, we're looking at the persons who were affected by this incident last night, but whether by injury or the deceased individuals. Mr. Shaw has jumped out in this assessment because he has a son who is known in the space as a violence producer. In fact, the son is currently in our custody on a charge of murder. And as a result, trying to get a better understanding, we are looking to see if the activities of the son could have resulted in him being targeted.
Shaw's common law wife, Evadne Henry, is having difficulty coping with his loss. We watched as she walked over to where he was shot and placed her hand in the spot where he fell.
Sleep, me asleep and me hear the gunshot, them and me jump out and me sleep. And when me wake, me jump out and me sleep and get up and come at the gate. Me drop and when me drop, me find myself fight and get up. And when me get up and come out, Tabby me say, I'm going to lie down.
His daughter took on the difficult task of cleaning the blood-stained sidewalk. Family members and those who knew him well shared their fondest memories of him.
When it comes to children, he love all his grandchildren. He not specialize in any and other children all around the community or anywhere him go. He's a family man, so he just love children. Always make them happy.
And the best memory of him is when he smiles. He has a smile there that when he smiles, that's leave in your memory.
Them man they grow me, them man they are my hell, them man they take me out a certain thing and show me certain lines and say youth are swaying for move. They make me get in a trouble. You see me, inspire youth and all them things there.
The police anticipate that there might be some retaliation for his killing.
We have deployed some assets in this space and we are ensuring that we contain it and hold it until the necessary processes are completed and to prevent any form of reprisals.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.
Now, in the meantime, Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, Olivia Grange, has condemned the killing of Donald Tabby Shaw, who she said she built a special relationship over the years. In a release, she said she felt the pain of the other 2 diamonds, Bunny and Judge, who she says she knows will never get over the loss of Tabby. She added that Tabby's death has also left an awful void in the Jamaican music landscape.